will find my device. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to use Google Find My Device service. So let's get started. First, make sure your lost Android is turned on, sign into a Google account and connect it to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Has location and Find My Device enabled. After the confirmation, go to google.com Android Find website or open the Find My Device app on another Android phone. Then sign in using the Google account linked to your lost phone. A map will show your device's location. If it's nearby, tap play sound to make it ring, even if it is on silent. Tap secure device to lock it with a message and contact number. Tap erase device to factory reset if it's unrecoverable. That's how to use Google Find My Device to locate or protect your phone. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.